Hey there, got another Princess Auto flyer for you. Also, remember from the last flyer, there was a Scratch-and-Dent event about 2 days ago. I did pick up a bunch of goodies from there. I'll show you them at the end of the video, okay? But let's get into this flyer right here. Starting off strong, we've got a double pack of WD-40 here for $8.88. Next up, this hoist right here, $159. This is not a bad deal at all. Got this ammo box right here. This is actually very good for keeping your tools in. Got a heavy duty 6x8 tarp here, $4.88. Next up, we've got this rechargeable work light here for $11.88. 3-piece strikeable pry bar set, $14.44. 4-foot 3-shelf wall rack here, $80. Flip down dolly here for $44.44. 4-foot chop light, $28.88. Want to look as intimidating as this guy? Get yourself one of these here, $35. Also got the replacement filters here, $20. 40 pack of hand warmers here, $18. Double pack of dustpans here for $13. Got this propane heater here for $120. Oscillating parabolic heater for $35. Motorcycle and ATV lift, $100. 10 feet of 8-gauge jumper cables for $9. Got some wood glue here for $10. Got a whole whack of JB Weld 2-part epoxies here for $7. And one for $8. 15-pound bag of shop racks for $17. Just don't leave them stewing in your garbage bin for too long. Not unless you have a good fire extinguisher at least. Got an assortment of thinners and acetone here, ranging from $7 to $12. $15 for a gallon of really good hand cleaner. Got a little back window rack for the pickup truck, $180. Got these little universal lift thingies here for $9. I did use one of these before to fix my trunk. Worked perfectly. Little crane for your truck bed here, $120. Roof rack, $50. 1,000-pound hand winch here for $25. Comes with a strap as well. Got a twist lock to 4-prong adapter cable here, $24. This little 3-foot cable here, a lot more handy than you think. Got a whole whack of welding equipment here. Magnetic clamps, $13. Set of lock-in pliers, $24.44. Welding gloves, $12.99. Some other welding gloves, $8. And really big welding magnet, $6. Little portable welding station, $100. For $269, you can have your own hydraulic press YouTube channel. $8 will get you this little soldering gun right here. Got some drill press vices here, ranging from $15 to $30. Got some air hoses here, ranging from 15 feet for $12 to 150 feet for $70. Got some 50-pound bag of sandblasting abrasive, ranging from $15 to $120, as well as this little handheld guy right here, $30. 4.5-inch angle grinder, $30. Little cordless screwdriver with some bits here for $10. 327-piece titanium bit set here for $130. Clean your shower in a couple of minutes with this for only $10. 10-pack of 4.5-inch grinding wheels here, $20. Little pop-up spray tent, $24. 33-foot wire fishing kit here for $17. This is invaluable if you got to run wire anywhere in your house. Non-contact voltage tester here for $8. Ever wondered how fast your table saw could kill you? Now you can for $40. 4-piece pipe wrench set, $30. 10 magnetic hooks here for $6. 10-inch pull saw for $13. 4-piece bar clamps for $12, as well as a 14-piece spring clamp for $9. Now in the surplus part of the flyer, and right off the bat again, we've got this heavy-duty step stool, $18, as well as this 20 by 30-inch metal board here for $15. If you got a Steam Deck, this could come in useful right here. You'll get HDMI, 2 USB ports, and you still get the power delivery USB-C port. Got a phone holder with an LED ring here, $10. 9-pack of CR2032s here, $3. 10-foot USB-C cable here, $8. Galvanized steel bucket here for $6. I've actually got this exact same network toner kit here for $34. This is by the brand Tack Life. Got mine from Amazon though. I think this is before they got kicked off for playing a little loose with the review system. But still, very good network kit, for the price at least. Got 164 feet of duct tape for $4. And that brings us to the end of the flyer. Now, before I go, I'll show you some of the goodies I got from the Scratch-and-Dent sale on Saturday. Got this auto-darkening welding helmet here for $10. I believe there is something wrong with it. We'll have to maybe do a repair video on this. Got this impact wrench here for $10. Works perfectly. Got this motion sensor garage light for $1. Looks like someone did an Audi and returned this store brand angle grinder in this Bosch box. Got this guy for $10. This cordless drill for $5. Works, but missing the charger. And finally, we have this plasma cutter for $20. Not sure how, or even if it is broken. Got to get a 240 circuit run to the garage, then I'll be able to tell. More on this in the future. Oh, also got this huge can WD-40 for $25.